Let's talk about the gateways concept in Power BI service and also what all types of gateways we have in Power BI service with us. First of all, gateways is basically a connection between the data on the local machine or on-premise and Power BI service. So this has been used to bridge the gap for automatic refresh of the data so that manual intervention can be avoided. So once you have created the report, you have published it onto Power BI service. If you want that report to get updated automatically from your system, then you have to install a gateway which will work as a bridge between the offline data as well as online report. And one more thing very important to note, that gateways only work on Windows and scheduled refresh works on Excel and PBIX files. So very good, because you are allowed to connect to any data source, which could be SQL, SAP, Oracle, anything. And once you connect it into the Power BI desktop application, the file will become .pbix file. And the moment you publish it onto the web, which is Power BI service, then definitely it will entertain the scheduled refresh if the gateway is installed. So no need to worry about it. It will entertain any amount, any type of data if it is connected through PBIX file. So no need to worry about them. Also, only when the data model exists in them. So modeling is very much required as a part of the scheduled refresh into the gateway. Now let's talk about the two major types of gateways which are available. One is the personal and one is enterprise mode gateways. Personal is something which has been used by you only and only supports scheduled refresh in Power BI. On the other hand, an enterprise level gateway or the mode gateway is something which has been shared and used by the multiple user in an organization. So kind of a centralized gateway, and supports scheduled refresh and live query, which is the data flows known as in Power BI. Right? So these are the two major differences as you can see in these types. We're going to try it with the personal mode in the coming video. I'll talk about that in detail practically. Right now we are just having a discussion through the presentation. One more thing, important note I would like to share it with you on a gateway is that when we use a scheduled refresh, then the system must be turned on, from which it is bridging that gap. If I have created the same on my system and I have installed the gateway, it must be turned on. The moment it will do an automatic refresh. If the system is not turned on, it will fail that refresh. And if it fails, it will also show us or give us a notification either to you or the email address that you are going to assign. And everything that we need to do, which is happening on online, which is Power BI service. So let's see in the next video that how we can install the gateway, how we can activate the same, and how we can set a scheduled refresh. Thank you so much.